Hey guys, welcome to Programmer Guide. Today we'll be discussing about the quick Docker lab. Docker International is already provided a play with Docker environment, which is a simple, interactive and fun playground to learn a Docker, which allows the user to run a Docker command in a matter of seconds. First of all, we need to create an account in Docker Hub. For that, you need to go to the hub.docker.com and there we need to create a new account in that. If you already have any account, then you don't need to recreate the account. You can already reuse the same account. So create a new account, you just provide some Docker ID, email ID and password and then do a sign up. So once you have already created the account, you can go to this lab.playwithdocker.com and here we can just give a login. So you can see here it's asking to log in using a Docker credentials. Just select as a Docker, so you can reuse the same user ID password which you have created in Docker Hub. I already have this account, so I'm using my own account. So see, it's all automatically log in using Docker credentials. Now click on the start button. Once you click on the start button, you can see there will be a 4-hour sessions created for you. So you will get always a 4-hour sessions. Now you can click on a add new instance button. As soon as you will click on this button, it will create a new sessions for you and one node is created. You can see that's the IP is 192.168.0.23. So here is your node. But this window is very small, so if you wanted to see that complete window, you just press Alt plus Enter. Now you just put a Docker info. You can see the complete Docker info is there. It's always the latest version is installed in it, and this node is created by Alpine image. You can see the version here. You can see that's the Alpine image. Okay. So now you can create a new Nginx container by using this command. You can see the Nginx image is already downloaded and you can see the container by using docker ps command. So it's running now. You can see that it's exposed port is exported in 8080. Once again, if you want to minimize this window, Alt Enter. Here you can see whatever port you will expose, you can see it from here. So you can click on this 8080 port. It will show you the Nginx image. So that's it for now. Thank you guys. Hope to see you in the next tutorial.